Here's an AI tool that'll make your life 10x easier. Imagine having a conversation with your own personal assistant that understands your needs perfectly. With ChatGPT, generate creative ideas, brainstorm solutions, or just have a casual chat to spark your imagination. Need to take notes or organize your thoughts? Notion AI can transform your messy ideas into structured and actionable plans. From project management to collaborative documents, Notion AI is like having a supercharged notebook at your fingertips. Feeling overwhelmed by information? Claude can help you summarize articles and extract the key points in seconds. Ask Claude anything. It's designed to make complex topics easy to understand and digest. Presenting ideas? Use Gamma.app to create stunning presentations in minutes without the hassle of design. Say goodbye to boring slides and hello to visually appealing content that captures your audience. These tools work together to simplify your workflow and enhance your productivity. Discover how integrating these AI solutions can save you time and energy every single day. Join the revolution and leverage these powerful tools to stay ahead in your personal and professional life. Embrace the future with AI. The possibilities are endless and the benefits are undeniable. Get started today and experience the ease and efficiency these AI tools bring to your routine.